Hey friends, if you wish to open any XML file with Excel by default, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, XML files are bound to open with Excel by default, but that's not always the case. Okay, so for the sake of this example, we will open Excel. Okay, and then we will create a blank test file. Okay, I'll name it test. Then I'll click on file, I will click on save, I will click on browse, I'll go to the desktop, I'll name it test, and then I'll click on save. Now once this Excel file is saved, I'll close it and I wish to open it with Microsoft Excel by default. So simply right click on it, select open with, and then select Excel and click on always. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.